So have you ever chosen colors, started a painting, finished it, only to realize that it reflects your mood? This is something that I experience a lot. And the funny thing is that I don't set out to paint something in a certain mood. It just happens. All right, so let me rewind a bit. This past week has been a real rough week for me. Teaching artists who are trying to navigate that same rocky road that I went on to learn how to paint is something that I am so passionate about. You know, I know firsthand how frustrating it can be to feel stuck, searching for answers and wanting so badly to grow without knowing exactly how to do so. So for the past 10 days, I've had a really hard time. I've felt disappointed, sad, and lost. And the passion that I have for teaching art is so strong that when things didn't work out the way I hoped, I found myself feeling drained and just questioning everything. But on the flip side, that same passion is also what keeps me going when things get tough. So I had to sit myself down and take a deep, honest look at who I want to teach and how I want to show up for them. And that reflection kind of helped me pull myself out of the self-pity and just find clarity and excitement again. So when I finished this painting, I actually understood that I had made some good decisions for myself. And the funny thing is that I didn't set out to paint something that was joyful at all. I just pulled out the bright yellow and that beautiful pink and the vibrant turquoise because I loved the colors. And those are the colors that I wanted to use. But as I kept moving forward with it, it just got clearer and clearer that I was actually expressing what I felt. We might not always think about it, but color has a huge impact on us. And I think it's why we associate yellow with sunshine, why pink feels playful, or why that turquoise kind of gives us a breath of fresh air. Colors influence our mood, even when we don't consciously choose them for that reason. So in this painting, the yellow became the main source of warmth and light, right? Because it immediately just brightens up the composition. And it also adds a sense of movement to it, I think. The warm pinks bring a lot of energy into the painting that almost feel playful. And the turquoise adds a lot of freshness, like I said. It's almost like a breath of fresh air that just keeps everything feeling open and free. And what I love about painting is that it captures so much more than just the color and form or lines that we use. It holds emotion, it holds energy and moments in time. And sometimes we don't even realize that we're expressing ourselves this way until we take the time to step back and look at it. This is what I do all the time because when I look at my older paintings, I can kind of just rewind back to where I was at that point in time. So whether you paint expressively or not does not matter. Color will help you anyway. As an expressive artist, color will help you convey the emotions that you're going through, and you don't even have to think about it. Sometimes the things we need to see the most just appear on our canvas before we even realize it. And even if you love to plan your paintings, color is so important because it does so much more than just fill space on your canvas. It sets the mood, it creates the energy, and connects the viewer on an emotional level. So whether you're choosing your colors intuitively or planning them really carefully, they have the power to tell a story. They have the power to evoke a feeling and to bring your painting to life in a way that nothing else can. So no matter where you find yourself, just let yourself play. You don't have to think about what you're expressing. Just let the colors lead the way. Sometimes the things that we need to see the most appear on the canvas before we even realize it. So I'd love to hear from you if you've ever looked back on a painting and then realized that it reflected your emotions in a way that you didn't expect. So let me know about that in the comments. And if you're curious about what's been going on behind the scenes, I'll share more about what I talked about in the beginning of this video in my newsletter that goes out tomorrow morning. You can find the link in the description if you haven't already signed up. All right, I'm going to put on some music and let you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you next week.